So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok drafts problem. So if you have any problem with the draft video on TikTok, this tutorial is going to help you a lot. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the TikTok app here. Now all what you want to do here is click on this force stop option and then go to the data usage right here as you can see. Now all what you want to do here is make sure to enable all those options like this and then go back, and now you have to do one last thing, open the storage or the internal storage as you can see, click on clear data and clear cache to clear all this number of data. After that you have to go back to the home screen and open the Play Store, search for TikTok and then click on this update option. You can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.